Hello everyone, welcome to Software Bank How to Use. Today's tutorial is SketchUp Pro 2023 V23. I will show you how to activate the license for this. SketchUp Pro 2023 V23 is a professional 3D modeling software with new features such as a common installer, Revit importer, flip tool, and overlays for extensions. It is useful for creating 3D models of buildings, furniture, interiors, landscapes, and more. SketchUp Pro 2023 is used by professionals in architecture, engineering, design, and other industries. The system requirements for SketchUp Pro 2023 are Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit, macOS 11, Big Sur, 12, Monterey, or 13, Ventura, and CPU 2, 1 plus GHz processor, RAM 8 plus GB, discrete graphics card such as a current generation AMD or NVIDIA, 2 GB of available hard disk space, 1 plus GB video memory, OpenGL 3.1 or higher. An internet connection is required to authorize SketchUp and to use some of the features. SketchUp Pro requires .NET Framework version 4.5. Please note that these are the minimum system requirements. If you plan on working with large or complex models, you may need a more powerful computer.